This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
So we have a very good question. What is the difference between data array and bin array? So please note that data array is the set of data that you have. Okay, so this is you have a data, right? So let's say I have the marks of the student. So these are the marks of the student in a, let's say, unit test. Okay, I want to know how many students have scored between 0 to 5, 6 to 10, and 10 to 15, or 10 to 15. Okay. So what is this? What is this bin then? Is bin a data? No. So bin is not the marks of the student overall. Bin is the class. So in frequency distribution, you have this class. So bin is the class interval. Getting the idea? So earlier school days we had done. So this is a class interval. So bin is class interval and data is your data values that you have. And then you are counting how many times a value is coming in this class interval, and that is a frequency. Earlier, earlier we used to do this tally, right? So we used to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your frequency over here, and this is a class. So this will say 8, it will come in this. 2, it will come in this. 15, it will come here. 15, it will come here. 11, it will come here. Like that. It's okay? Is the difference clear? Okay. And frequency function, it's an array function. Okay, only work with the numeric. It doesn't work with the characters. Okay.
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.